everyone, Lesleyanne here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, then thank you very much for stopping by, and I hope you watch the video to the end. My channel is very much a lifestyle channel, so I kind of like share most things that go on in my life really. Today I have a collaboration. I have been sent something yet again from this particular company, so I have worked with them before, and if you like jewellery you're going to love what I'm about to show you. So it's arrived in this really kind of thick sort of padded bubble wrap. Then each item did arrive individually packed inside of the bigger one. So I've got 3 items to show you. Just going to pull them out. I had a quick look, haven't tried them on or anything, so I had a quick look just to make sure everything was in order, you know. Let's get all the bits and bobs out. Right, so let's get started then. The items have also got a gift bag, should you want to gift any of this. If you buy it as a gift, then whoever you're buying the piece of jewellery for is going to be absolutely delighted. I don't think I could ever part with it though, it's so pretty. And then also you get, for each item you get a certificate of authenticity. It tells you a little bit about moissanite, because everything I've got here has got moissanite in it, so it does tell you a lot about moissanite. I kind of do know a little bit about it. Now I know that sort of many years ago a meteorite landed, and a lot of people thought the sparkles were from diamonds, where in actual fact they were from pieces of this meteorite. And so moving on some years now, they have managed to lab grow these pieces the same as were from the meteorite, because it's a mineral. So they look very similar to diamonds. In actual fact, the moissanite has much more sort of clarity and sparkle, and in the way it's able to be cut, than a diamond. That's not slating diamonds, I have diamonds myself, but if you put the two together, you wouldn't know that one, we wouldn't be able to choose which one was the diamond. I think they're very similar on the hardness scale. Diamond might just beat it, I'm not 100% sure, but they're very, very similar. And of course it means that we don't have to go mining on the planet to find any more diamonds. So if you're into that kind of like looking after the planet as well, then it's a great way to go, and I certainly would recommend this particular website for you to go and have a look at. You also get your grading from your moissanite, your piece of moissanite, so you get a card with grading, etc. So it's a really beautiful piece of jewellery to be gifting somebody, or if guys, if you're like about to propose or anything, beautiful, beautiful piece of jewellery. Okay, so the company is called Read Your Heart, and it's in this beautiful sort of Tiffany X duck egg blue colour. Beautiful, stunning on a shelf, on your dressing table, wherever you keep your jewellery. And then this is a ring, and it's protected in a little sealed bag like this, but I will take it out, put it in the box, and then just show it in all its glory, as if you were giving it to somebody else, the way that when they open the box, what they would see. That's so beautiful. Are you ready? I'm keeping you in suspense. So can you imagine somebody giving you this and you opening it? You're about to open it, or they're down on one knee About to open it. Just look at how absolutely beautiful. Can you see already like the sparkles? Look, that is gorgeous. I'm going to put my glasses on because I'm going to read a little bit about this particular piece and then we'll try it on. So this is, so the main stone material is genuine moissanite. Right, the actual stones are genuine moissanites, as I've already stated. This particular ring is a two-tone silver and rose gold. All jewellery settings are available in 10 carat, 14 carat, 18 carat, yellow, rose or white gold, as well as platinum. Most jewellery settings are available in alternative centre stone shapes and carat weights, and so that you can contact them yourself. And I'll just give you like just a little look on here to show you just some of the pictures that are on there. Of course, I will link down below in the description box everything that you need to be able to go over to the website, including a discount code that they've very kindly given me to share with you, which is for 15% discount with, I'll pop it along the screen. But I think it's Sparkle, but I will confirm that, pop it along the screen and also in the description box. So this particular ring does come as a set of two. So I've shown you that one. So let's pop it on. Let's take my rings off. I'm going to pop this one on. And I've got this one so that it was big enough for my middle finger, but I've taken all my other rings off just so that you can see the actual beauty. Are you ready? Sure? Ready? See how that is picking up the light and twinkling. It's gorgeous. And then on the other side of the band, that is what the ring looks like. It is so comfy. Give you another close up there, what it's like. Very sort of smooth, well, it is very smooth here, so it's not going to snag any of your clothes. It also has a rub over setting as well that is not going to catch in anything either. It's beautiful, isn't it? Anyway, let's move on to the next one. And currently, right now, for the this is a pair of rings. So, you know, if you were thinking of proposing to somebody, you could have one as the engagement ring, keep one for when you're married, and give the other one as an eternity ring, this one, a bit later down the line. And for the set, currently, right now on the website, it's $128.88. There's a discount if you buy more than two sort of items, but using my code you will get 15% off as well, and the different ring sizes. If you go on the website, it tells you how to measure your fingers as well, because the sizing's a little different to the UK sizing, so make sure you follow all the instructions. But that's the price. Let's open the box. Right, so I've opened the box. Again, it comes in a little plastic pouch that really holds it snug and looks after it, you know. And of course, this would be really good to use if you're going away on holiday, to pop little pieces of jewellery in, or to keep your jewellery in. So your partner's down on one knee, about to pop the question, and they open the box. And you see this, how gorgeous. Look at her. You can just see it twinkling, can't you? It's beautiful. So this one is paired with the other one. I will give you a close. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's like a little flower. And then the sides, the stonework down the sides is exactly match what's on this eternity ring. Right, okay, are you ready? Let's get a bit closer, shall we? Oh, look at it, look at that fire. The centre stone here, look at that. Do you see what I mean? It's like a little flower. And it sits proud right in the centre there. And then you can see here there's like little gaps under here, under the stone here. And that allows all the light to come through to really help with that sparkle. You've got the smoothness again here with like a rub over. Again, that's not going to get caught. But that is how gorgeous that one is. Nice and smooth again there. So I will slip this one on. Oh, wow, it's beautiful. Look at that. That's what it looks like when it's sitting on the finger. Right, let's pop the other on with it, shall we? Eternity ring's going on. This ring is going on, and oh my goodness. I mean, you could use, I was saying eternity ring, you could actually use that as your wedding band, you know. Look at that. How beautiful is that? I mean, I'd love that as a wedding band or an eternity ring and an engagement ring. If I didn't already have one, I would most certainly wear that as, you know, an engagement little wardrobe there. And so together you've got those two pieces. And what a fantastic price for a genuine piece of jewellery. Okay, let's move on to the final piece, which is another ring. What makes you think I like rings? Again, in the little container here. And I'll bring the details up of this one so that I can read out to you as well. But I will do the big reveal first. This is a whopper. This is the sort of ring that you'd see on a celebrity, I would say. It's stunning. So, of course, you've got your beautiful box again. Are you ready for the reveal? Once again, he's down on one knee. And this is very typically a solitaire. And you can see, oh, wow, just imagine if your hand's moving, you know, and you're in a restaurant, you've got candlelight, and oh, that's just going to be picked up by the candlelight. All that sparkle, just out generally. It's just going to be beautiful. Cool, she's a big one. So you have this beautiful solitaire ring, but you also have Yet again, let me see, I think they're claw set. They are claw set, but they are so smooth. There's nothing rough there at all. And again, you've got your little here, your little gap there, so that the light can go up underneath the stone, under the moissanite, to help the light to reflect how beautiful it is. Get it on, shall we? Whoa, you are not going to miss this ring. Okay, are you ready? There we go. Okay, and there we go. There, we've got it again. It is twinkling away, isn't it? And of course, my channel, Lesleyanne Sparkle, you can absolutely understand why I love sparkle. It just is so cheerful. It's gorgeous. Right, let me have a look for info on this one. Again, the main stone is genuine. It's moissanite along with the stones along the side. The main stone diameter is 8mm by 9. It's a round cut stone. The side stones are genuine moissanites, and you have a quantity of 6 in total. And this one is in silver, so it's 925 sterling silver. But again, you can get them in 10 carat, 14 carat, 18 carat, rose gold, yellow gold, white gold. You just have to request that. I'm going to play you a very quick little video of it. Oh gosh, it's beautiful. Okay, and this one is retailing at the moment. It did retail for $276.48. It is now $165.89. This is 2 carats. You can get it in a 3 carat as well. So that is the price at the moment. Not forgetting, with my discount code, you will get 15% off. And of course, you've got your beautiful gift bags and your certificates to show that it is authentic as well. When you do gift these pieces of jewellery, or indeed if you're buying it for yourself to keep. The company are also on social media platforms, and so I will share that down below in the description box. So if you want to go over to see any of their social media, if you want to go and have a look at the website, which I would highly recommend, then of course that will be left in the description box as well. And so it's time for me to say thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you have enjoyed it, then please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Press that notification bell for more of my videos, which, as I've said, are everything lifestyle. Grace, I would like to thank you once again for asking me to collaborate with you. As always, very much appreciated and excited to share the beautiful pieces of jewellery. So I'm going to see you in the next video, my lovelies. Take care, everyone, won't you? Bye for now.